Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top. The second position from the right is connected with the resolution. After tapping on it, we can open more options. So we've got 3 resolutions in total: 720p, 1080p and 4K frames per second. We can also change them depending on the option we will set. So basically all we have to do is to tap on the option we would like to use. I'll choose 4K, and as you can see, it is immediately highlighted. We can also see the changes here in the icon, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.